Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, in our channel, generally we used to create the videos on those expert advisors which has proved to be consistent for quite some time in past couple of months. We used to create videos later, but first we check and test those expert advisors for a couple of months, and if they found uh, consistent and have some potential, then generally we used to create the videos on them. So far, this video is about Smart Gold Scalper. This is a scalper expert advisor and specifically for gold. Generally saying, like, if it is a scalper, it used to monetize small movements and close the trades accordingly. So for this expert advisor, it is generally suited for those people who have big equity or either small equity. Small equity, then they can trade on cent account. Okay, I used to prefer to trade on cent account, and the minimum equity to require to trade with this expert advisor is 50k. 50k cents would be somewhere around 500 US dollar. Okay, so 50k, but this is the minimum, but we suggest 100k and above. Okay, because gold is very volatile, and to trade scalping you need to have good amount of equity, because one side movement like there is a spike or anything, and then generally you need to have good amount of equity to trade. So if you're lucky, you can sustain even in 10,000, 20,000 also, but as I said, minimum requirement is 50k, and we suggest 100k and above. 100k and 100k is 100k cents is around 1000 US dollar. Okay, so this is we are completing 3 months, and hence we are creating the video on this expert advisor right now, and let's see from here. So I'm showing you each and every trade from start. And guys, I already posted some videos on few other gold expert advisor also, which are not scalper, and they are fixed lot expert advisors with no martingale, no grid, and no hedging and no averaging, and so they have a fixed SL or a dynamic SL or a fixed TP or a dynamic TP, or maybe you can say trading stop. So generally on those expert advisors, the profitability depends on the market and also how many TP hit and how many SL hits. Okay, so those expert advisors would be very consistent. I mean, they will keep your drawdown low, because you will not lose more than what your stop loss is. But this expert advisor that I'm talking about, scalper, Smart Gold Scalper, this doesn't use any kind of stop loss. Okay, this is a scalper, so in certain times when the market is moving very rapidly, so it has to increase the lot size as well. Hence I suggested 50k the minimum, but suggested is 100k and above. Like fast trend gold, or maybe loin gold, CGX gold, and one shot gold. There are a couple of expert advisors that you can see in our channel, which are one shot expert advisors. One shot means they are for each and every trade there is a stop loss and a take profit. Take profit could be dynamic. I think it's going to be take more time, because it's just 12th of May, while we started with the 5th of May. So it's just 12th of May, so it will take a lot of time, because there are so many trades, and this is the data for 3 months. So let me speed up the process. Okay, maybe we can start from here. This is still the May itself. I do not want to create the video very longer, but at the same time I do not want to quit or maybe skip most of the things. Okay, because this is from the same trading account, one trading account. uh, but this is still just May, and now it's August going on. So let me speed up the process once again. So we are in June now. I have no other intention but just to keep the video in control in terms of length. All those expert advisors name that I have just taken, we have already made couple of videos on them. Generally, like, we used to test these expert advisors and create these videos for around couple of months, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Okay, we are not going to deploy all these expert advisors on our VPS all the time, because we have other expert advisors that that are on those VPS and we are testing them. Okay, so this is probably the last video for the Smart Gold Scalper. If time if time permits, then probably we can create another video, but as of now, since we have completed 3 months in this very volatile gold movements, so this is probably the last video. That I will confirm you later. Let me speed up the process again. Okay, let's start from here. Guys, forex market is very risky. Okay, so please do never ever use any equity that is for your emergency purpose at your home. Never ever use those kind of equity. Okay, never take loan to trade forex market until you are a professional trader and very confident on your trades. Forex expert advisor is not a guarantee to make you winner. Okay, if that is that easy, then everyone would be winning. However, the ratio is very different. 98% of the people lose money in forex market. So guys, we are already approaching at the end. Okay, as you can see, with a deposit of 50, we already made 63,380, and these are the running trades right now. Okay, right, as you can see the account history. So so this is what the profit that we have generated, but this is not something that like there is nothing guaranteed that this kind of profit will be generated in future as well, because market is very volatile. It could be more, it could be less, or it could be anything, right? Because since there is no stop loss, so of course this is a little bit risky, but to generate profit of this kind, you will definitely have to take risk. Okay, otherwise we have already deployed and create videos on the other Gold Expert Advisor which uses stop loss and take profit both. Okay, so those would be comparatively less risky, but however depends on if your more TP is I mean your TP is going to hit or your stop loss. So there is nothing certain. There is nothing certain in this expert advisor as well, but however there are a couple of people like who want to trade all the time, so this could be for them. Otherwise, if you just want very occasional trades, okay, maybe once in a day, or maybe once in 2-3 days, or maybe 2 or 3 days trades in a day, depends on situation to situation. Okay, so I'm just comparing, I'm not comparing actually, I'm just telling you that these kind of expert advisors are also available. However, stop loss is something that is made to hit, and these institutions, big financial institutions used to create a big wig to stop to hunt your stop loss. It is stop loss hunt. Okay, so this is all about Smart Gold Scalper. If you have any query, you can reach me on Telegram or either email. I have mentioned my email and Telegram both in the video description. If you have any query, feel free to contact me. Thank you very much, and thanks for staying with me. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel so far, please do that, and please do share, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much, and take care, stay safe and stay happy with your family. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.